If your iPhone has a management profile installed, also known as MDM, you might be noticing that some apps are blocked, certain settings are locked, or your company can see your activity. This usually happens with work phones or school devices. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to check if your iPhone has an MDM profile and the correct steps to remove it. This is 100% legal if it's your own device, so let's get started. First, let's confirm that your iPhone actually has a management profile installed. Open the Settings app, the gray icon on your home screen. Then tap on General. Now scroll down and look for an option called VPN and Device Management. If you see that option and there's a profile listed under it, your iPhone has an MDM profile installed. If you don't see that option at all, your phone does not have any profile and you don't need to do anything else. Tap on VPN and Device Management to open it. You'll see the profile listed under a section called Mobile Device Management. Tap on the profile name to open its details. Here you can see the name of the organization that installed it, what permissions it has, and what it can access on your device. Take a screenshot of this screen before doing anything. You might need it later. At the bottom of the profile details screen, you'll see a button that says Remove Management. Tap on it. Your iPhone will ask you to enter your device passcode to confirm. Type in your normal unlock code. After that, a red confirmation button will appear saying Remove. Tap it one more time to finalize. The profile will be deleted immediately. If the Remove Management button appears grayed out and you can't tap it, it means the profile was installed with a password protection. In that case, you'll need the MDM password from whoever set it up, usually your IT department or school. Without that password, the profile is locked and cannot be removed from the settings menu. If this is your personal device and you don't have that password, I'll show you an alternative option in the next step. If you own the phone and the button is locked, the only way to fully remove the MDM profile is to erase the device and set it up from scratch. Before doing this, make sure you back up everything important to iCloud or your computer. To erase the phone, go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. And tap Erase All Content in Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. After the reset, the phone will be completely clean with no profiles installed. When you set it up again, do not restore from a backup that includes the MDM profile. Set it up as a new iPhone. Once you've removed the profile or reset the device, go back to Settings, then General, and scroll down again to check VPN and Device Management. If the option has gone completely or shows no profiles listed, the MDM has been successfully removed. Your iPhone is now fully under your control with no remote management active. If this video is helping you, go ahead and hit the like button right now. It only takes a second and it really helps this channel. Now let me cover one more important thing before you go. After removing the profile, a few things will change on your phone. Any apps that were installed by the MDM profile may be automatically deleted. Restrictions that were blocking certain apps or websites will be lifted. And the organization that managed your device will no longer be able to see your activity, send commands to your phone, or wipe it remotely. If your phone was a work phone and you remove the MDM without authorization, be aware that your employer will likely receive a notification that the device is no longer managed. Now you know exactly how to find and remove an MDM profile from your iPhone, whether the button was available or you needed to do a full reset. If you're still stuck, or the profile isn't showing up where I said, leave a comment below with your iPhone model and iOS version, and I'll help you figure it out. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. See you in the next one.